Imagine your vehicle, a complex machine designed for precise operation, suddenly behaving erratically. Lights flicker without reason. The radio changes stations, adjusts volume, or mutes itself, defying user input. Wipers activate unexpectedly on a dry day, then stop midway. Dashboard warning lights illuminate chaotically, only to vanish moments later, offering no consistent diagnostic information. This isn't a fictional movie scene, it's a real-world scenario many drivers confront, leading to deep frustration, financial strain, and numerous unsuccessful repair attempts. The car appears to have a mind of its own, an invisible, unpredictable force dictating its actions and leaving its owner bewildered. Standard diagnostic procedures frequently yield no permanent fault codes, or worse, present a bewildering cascade of unrelated error codes, offering no clear repair direction. Technicians often resort to replacing components based on educated guesses, only for the mysterious behavior to resurface days or weeks later. The inherently intermittent nature of these issues significantly compounds diagnostic difficulty, making replication a formidable challenge within a workshop. Owners are left questioning their car's sanity and their own perception, as every proposed solution fails to address the root cause, perpetuating a cycle of expense and disappointment. Many immediately suspect common electrical culprits, a failing battery or an alternator. Others might logically point to a faulty sensor, a loose fuse, or a compromised wiring connection. While these are valid starting points, they often represent only the superficial layer of the problem. The possessed symptoms frequently persist even after these obvious components have been rigorously tested, replaced, or ruled out. The true demon operating within the vehicle's intricate, interconnected systems lies deeper, hidden from conventional diagnostic methods and casual inspection, demanding a profound, systemic understanding of modern automotive electronics. The hidden demon often isn't a singular, catastrophic component failure but a subtle, systemic degradation or persistent interference within the vehicle's intricate electrical architecture. Modern cars function as sophisticated, distributed computer networks, relying on precise transmission of thousands of electrical signals and impeccably timed data exchanges. When this delicate balance is disrupted, especially in ways that fall below the threshold for triggering a definitive error code, the vehicle's numerous control modules begin to misinterpret commands, receive corrupted data, or fail to communicate. This leads directly to the unpredictable, almost sentient behavior witnessed by drivers, manifesting as ghost inputs, phantom malfunctions, and erratic operation across multiple vehicle systems. At the heart of every modern vehicle lies a sophisticated network of communication protocols. The controller area network, CAN bus, serves as the primary arterial highway, enabling various electronic control units, ECUs, like engine control, transmission, and braking systems, to exchange critical operational data rapidly and reliably. Complementing this, local interconnect networks, LIN bus, handles simpler subsystem communications for components such as window motors. These serial data buses enable disparate components to operate cohesively and in perfect synchronization. Their precise timing, signal integrity, and robust data transmission are absolutely paramount for the car's overall functionality and safety. The critical vulnerability arises when the integrity of these vital communication pathways is compromised. This can occur through subtle electrical disturbances, pervasive electrical noise, subtle impedance mismatches within wiring, or minor voltage fluctuations falling outside specified tolerances, yet insufficient to trigger a hard fault. Data packets become corrupted during transmission, leading modules to execute incorrect commands, enter default safe modes, or fail to respond. This interference is almost always intermittent, making it incredibly challenging to isolate. Individual modules may function correctly internally but receive erroneous or incomplete instructions, leading to a cascade of observable errors. One common and profoundly overlooked cause of widespread electrical anomalies is compromised electrical grounding. Every electrical component in a vehicle requires a solid, low-resistance path to the chassis ground to complete its circuit. Over time, due to environmental exposure, vibration, corrosion, loose connections, or physical damage, these critical ground points can degrade. A weak, high-resistance, or intermittently connected ground path causes significant voltage drops, injects electrical noise into the system, and creates undesirable floating potentials. This directly impacts sensor readings, stable module operation, and bus communication, leading to unpredictable behavior as components receive insufficient or fluctuating power. Another significant culprit in the possessed car phenomenon is an intermittently failing electronic control unit, or body control module. Rather than a complete failure, such a module might experience internal component degradation, developing cold solder joints that intermittently lose connection, or suffer subtle software glitches manifesting only under specific operational conditions, like temperature changes, road vibration, or voltage spikes. These compromised modules might intermittently broadcast incorrect data packets, briefly cease bus communication, or misinterpret incoming signals. Given their central role in orchestrating numerous vehicle functions, their erratic behavior can quickly propagate across multiple, seemingly unrelated systems, creating widespread and confusing possessed symptoms. Electromagnetic interference, or EMI, can also play a distinct and underappreciated role in causing erratic vehicle behavior, though less frequently diagnosed. Sources can range from poorly shielded aftermarket accessories, high-tension power lines, or internal components like faulty ignition coils. These can emit electromagnetic fields disrupting sensitive data lines, particularly the unshielded twisted pairs of the CAN or LIN bus. While vehicles are designed with some intrinsic shielding and filtering, severe or persistent EMI can corrupt data signals, leading to phantom commands, false sensor readings, and system malfunctions. This is particularly difficult to trace without specialized, high-frequency diagnostic equipment. Now, let's connect these technical issues directly to the perplexing, erratic symptoms observed. A compromised, high-resistance ground path might cause an ECU to brown out, leading to flickering lights, intermittent power windows, or unexpected infotainment resets. Corrupted data on the CAN bus from an intermittently failing ECU could trigger false warning lights for the engine or ABS, or unintended activation of actuators like wipers or power locks. Persistent electromagnetic interference might manifest as random radio station changes, intermittent cruise control loss, or sudden, unexplained horn honking. Each seemingly random event has a specific, albeit hidden, technical root cause tied to fundamental electrical signal integrity. The primary challenge in accurately diagnosing these issues lies in their inherently intermittent and nonspecific nature. Modern diagnostic scanners primarily read stored diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. If the fault is transient, occurring only for milliseconds, it may never register as a hard code. Live data streams offer clues, but analyzing thousands of data points for a fleeting anomaly requires immense expertise, advanced software, and considerable time. Furthermore, replicating the exact conditions that consistently trigger the fault, such as specific temperature ranges or road vibrations, is exceptionally difficult in a static repair shop environment. Effective diagnosis requires moving beyond simple code reading. Technicians must employ advanced tools. Digital oscilloscopes are essential for monitoring waveform integrity on communication. Buses and power circuits in real time, revealing subtle noise or dropouts. Millivolt drop tests precisely identify subtle resistance issues in grounding paths and power feeds. Thermal imaging cameras pinpoint localized overheating components within modules or wiring. Specialized diagnostic software capable of extensive data logging captures intermittent communication failures that standard OBD2 scanners miss. These tools allow for comprehensive observation of electrical signals, revealing minute deviations from expected patterns. While some electrical issues are inherent to component lifespan, proactive preventative measures can significantly mitigate risk. Regular inspection of wiring harnesses for chafing or corrosion, especially in high vibration or exposed areas, is crucial. Ensuring aftermarket accessories are professionally installed with proper wiring, shielding, and robust grounding prevents EMI or ground loops. Addressing even minor electrical anomalies promptly prevents cascading failures. Furthermore, diligently maintaining optimal battery health and charging system integrity reduces stress on sensitive electronic components throughout the vehicle. Ignoring these possessed symptoms can have far more serious consequences than mere inconvenience. Intermittent electrical issues can directly affect critical safety systems, including anti-lock braking, electronic power steering, stability control, or airbag deployment. A sudden, unexpected loss of engine power, erratic acceleration, or unpredictable steering response poses a significant hazard to both the driver and other road users. Beyond safety, the financial burden of repeated, misdiagnosed repairs accumulates quickly, eroding confidence and long-term vehicle reliability. Addressing these hidden electrical demons is paramount for both vehicle operational integrity and driver safety. Ultimately, the battle against the possessed car is an intricate struggle against the unseen, against subtle electrical disruptions confounding traditional diagnostics. It underscores the increasing complexity of modern automotive engineering and the critical need for a deeper, systemic understanding of a vehicle's interconnected electronic architecture. The true demon isn't a single, easily identifiable faulty part, but rather a fundamental failure in the integrity of the unseen electrical symphony that powers every function and communication. Only by looking beyond the obvious, embracing advanced diagnostic methodologies, and understanding the nuanced interplay of electrical signals can these hidden, elusive faults be truly conquered, restoring predictability and unwavering reliability to the driver.